This automated system efficiently processes raw banana stems, turning what was once waste into the foundation for high-end leather alternatives. Inside the world's first banana stem leather factory, agricultural waste is transformed into sustainable luxury materials. This is the world's first industrial facility capable of converting banana stems into luxury leather on a massive scale.
Entrepreneurs. This revolutionary banana leather demonstrates remarkable flexibility during the bending test, showing absolutely.
Here, in the world's first banana stem leather factory, calibration rollers refine the material, turning farm waste into luxury textiles.
Here, in the world's first banana stem factory, advanced machinery turns agricultural waste into high-quality.
Inside the world's first banana stem leather factory, we're turning farm waste into the luxury materials of the future.
Utilizing specialized machinery, our team meticulously stitches the banana stem leather, crafting luxury items from sustainable materials.
Utilizing banana stem fibers once considered waste, our skilled artisans meticulously assemble the world's first luxury-grade banana leather products.
Turning farm waste into luxury requires precision. Our automated systems ensure the perfect.
In the stabilization zone, the newly molded banana stem leather wallets are carefully cooled, guaranteeing uniform shape retention and durability. In this facility, farm waste is meticulously processed. Our edge painting machines ensure a luxurious finish on every strip of banana leather. Inside the drying tunnel, intense heat cures the painted edges of the banana stem leather, preparing it for luxury applications. Agricultural waste is transformed. The embossing press applies immense pressure, creating a crisp logo on the world's first banana stem leather.
Transforming agricultural waste into high-end leather is a precise science.
Inside the world's first banana stem leather factory, we are turning farm waste into luxury. Place the banana stem leather into these shape memory molds. The precise fit ensures the consistency of the luxury finish. Inside the world's first banana stem leather factory, Kaori, turning farm waste into luxury. Inside the factory, advanced logistics track every banana stem, transforming farm waste into sustainable luxury leather. Utilizing advanced industrial processes, this factory transforms agricultural waste into high-quality, sustainable materials for the luxury market. This facility represents a revolution in sustainable materials, converting agricultural byproducts into high-quality leather alternatives. Our innovative process transforms farm waste into high-end, sustainable luxury materials, ready for transport worldwide.
We take farm waste directly from the fields and, using advanced industrial processes,
Welcome to the world's first banana stem leather factory, turning agricultural waste into the luxury materials of tomorrow. Utilizing advanced technology, we transform banana farm waste into this luxury leather wallet, showcasing its remarkable strength and premium feel.